Imagine holding a piece of the future right in your hand. Not in a sci-fi movie, not in a tech expo, but right now. A tiny machine that listens to your commands, responds like a loyal companion, and captures the world in a way your eyes never could. Today, you're about to discover why the DJI Mini 5 isn't just another drone. It's the closest thing we've ever had to a pocket-sized cinematographer, and the reason thousands of Americans are quietly upgrading their travel bags, their camera kits, and honestly, their entire lifestyle. Because this time, DJI didn't just make a drone. They made a gateway, a doorway, a chance to see your world differently. And whether you're here out of curiosity, or you're secretly thinking about buying a new drone, or you just want to know why everyone's suddenly talking about this little machine, I want you to stay with me. Because what you're about to hear might completely reset the way you think about aerial cameras. Let's begin with something simple. Why does this drone matter? Think about the way technology evolves. For years, drones were big, bulky, intimidating, the kind of gadgets only professionals or hardcore hobbyists dared to fly. Then DJI created the Mini line, lightweight, friendly, compact. But the Mini 5? This one feels different. It feels like the moment smartphones replaced flip phones. Once you understand what the Mini 5 can do, going back won't even feel like an option. Now imagine this. You're standing on a beach in Florida, the sky glowing orange, the waves whispering against the sand. You launch the Mini 5 with a simple upward glide, and suddenly your perspective shifts. The world expands. The coastline stretches out like a ribbon. Every movement becomes cinematic. Every frame feels crafted. And you realize something. You didn't have to be a filmmaker to get footage that looks like a $10,000 camera crew shot it. That's the power of the Mini 5. But let's go deeper. Because what makes this drone special isn't just the camera. It's the intelligence behind it. The way it senses, reacts, and adapts. The way it keeps you safe even when you push it farther, higher, faster. You're going to hear things today that might sound like magic, but trust me, they're real. And I want you to imagine yourself using this drone as I describe it. Picture yourself in a new city, maybe New York, maybe San Diego, maybe a small town in Idaho with mountains that touch the clouds. You unfold the Mini 5, place it on the ground, and tap take off. And instantly, it understands where it is. The objects around it, the obstacles, the wind, the light, even the direction you're facing. This isn't just a drone anymore. It's awareness, wrapped in plastic and motors. And the camera, oh, the camera. DJI didn't hold back this time. The Mini 5 gives you detail, so sharp it feels like you can step inside the frame. Whether you're filming tall forests, neon-lit streets, snowy roads, or your own backyard, the Mini 5 sees everything with clarity that feels almost too good to be true. People say this drone sees better than I do, and honestly, they're not wrong. But that's not what makes people fall in love with it. What really wins hearts is the freedom. Under 250 grams. That magic number. That sweet spot where rules are simpler, paperwork disappears, and flying becomes something you can do without stress. For the everyday American who just wants to create, capture, and explore, this matters. It means you can throw in your backpack, fly it in more places, travel with it easily, and enjoy it without feeling like you're carrying a piece of military equipment. But here's where it gets interesting. And I want you to pay close attention because this part surprises almost everyone. The Mini 5 doesn't just record the world. It studies it, it interprets it, and it creates for you. When you activate the autonomous features, tracking, orbiting, cinematic modes, the drone becomes more than a camera operator. It becomes an artist. The drone decides the best angles, the smoothest movements, the most beautiful transitions. It anticipates where you're going and adjusts in real time. And the result? Footage that makes your friends say, "How did you shoot this? Who filmed this for you?" The answer, of course, is the little machine in your hand. And I know what you might be thinking. This sounds amazing, but is it beginner-friendly? Let me paint a picture. Imagine you've never flown a drone before. Zero expiry. NCE. You're nervous, maybe even a little scared of crashing. You lift the Mini 5 off the ground for the very first time, and something surprising happens. It holds steady, perfectly, almost like it's frozen in midair. You push the control stick forward, And instead of jerking or wobbling, it glides smoothly. You let go, and it stops on its own. Safely, calmly, confidently. You feel it. The fear disappears. The excitement takes over. That's the moment most new pilots fall in love. But let's shift for a moment, because this drone isn't just for travelers or hobbyists. The Mini 5 is quickly becoming a hidden weapon for small businesses. Real estate agents, roof inspectors, Airbnb hosts, landscapers, even wedding photographers. With a drone this small and a camera this powerful, you could transform the way you present your work. You can sell homes faster, showcase properties better, capture events from angles no smartphone could dream of. And if you're thinking about starting a side hustle, this drone might just be the easiest way to begin. The return on investment? Ridiculously good. Now let's talk about the one thing everyone cares about. Battery life. If you've used older drones, you know the frustration, the countdown, the anxiety. Oh no, I only have a few minutes left. But with the Mini 5, DJI changed the game. You get enough flight time to actually enjoy flying, to take your time, to experiment, to capture the moment without rushing. And with the extended batteries, you can turn a simple outing into a 2-hour aerial adventure. But what good is a drone if the connection drops? If the video feed lags? If the controls delay? DJI knows this. And that's why the Mini 5's transmission system is one of the strongest they've ever put in a drone this size. Smooth, stable, reliable, even when you're flying far. The freedom to explore feels limitless. But here's the part one think you'll appreciate most. Every upgrade in the Mini 5 feels like it was made for real people, not engineers. People who want something that works, something that's fun, something that doesn't require a manual thicker than a phone book. And speaking of fun, let's imagine a few real-life scenarios. Imagine you're hiking through Colorado. You reach the top of a ridge. The world opens up beneath you. Most people take out a phone and snap a picture. But you unfold the Mini 5. It lifts into the sky, and suddenly your simple hike becomes a cinematic masterpiece. Imagine your kids playing in the backyard. A sunny day, laughter in the air. You send the drone up for a quick shot, and what you capture isn't just footage. It's memory, a moment frozen beautifully, in a way they'll remember forever. Imagine a road trip across America, Nevada deserts, Texas sunsets, Oregon forests. Each stop, a new chance to capture something breathtaking. This drone isn't just equipment. It's a companion for moments you don't want to forget. But let's go even deeper, because if you're still listening, I know you want the full truth about whether this drone is worth it. Here it is. The Mini 5 is not a toy. It's not an upgrade. It's not a minor improvement. It's a shift in how we capture life, a shift in what beginner drones can do, a shift in what professionals expect, a shift in what creators dream of. And here's the funny thing. People who buy drones rarely stop at one. They always want better, smarter, sharper, more stable, more capable. But once you reach the Mini 5, you'll feel satisfied in a way that's hard to explain, because it checks every box: portability, camera quality, safety, features, battery life, intelligence, ease of use, reliability. It's the first drone that feels like a complete package. And if you've ever felt intimidated by drone technology, trust me, this is the drone that will finally make you say, I can do this. Now imagine this ending with you, somewhere beautiful, taking your time as the Mini 5 hovers in the air, waiting for your next command. You look at the controller screen and see footage so stunning you can't help but smile. And in that moment, you realize this wasn't just a purchase. This was an upgrade to your lifestyle, a way to capture stories you didn't even know you were missing, a way to see the world from angles that were impossible before, a way to turn simple moments into unforgettable memories. And that, more than specs, more than features, more than hype, is why the DJI Mini 5 is becoming the most loved compact drone in America. It gives you something rare, the feeling of wonder, the thrill of possibility, the spark of creativity. So whether you're planning to buy it, already ordered it, or just discovering it for the first time, know this. The DJI Mini 5 is not just a drone. It's an invitation to start seeing life from above.